Hello and welcome to Miniature Addiction Club. This week I have another exciting haul video for you, so let's get started. I bought some more items from Temu, including this miniature kit which I transformed into a Fallout inspired kitchen in my last video. I'll leave a link below if you want to check it out. I also purchased this pack of bottles with fine metal tips, which I thought would be useful for wood glue. If you watched my last haul video, you'll know I'm quite fond of beads, and I couldn't pass up these little bead caps, which will be perfect for making little things like miniature candlestick holders or other little accessories. There are a bunch of different colours and patterns, which I'm sure will come in handy. Up next are some nail art stickers which I got to embellish things like miniature books or decor, but I ended up sticking most of them on my nails, so I'll have to order some more. I also picked up this L-shaped ruler which will be very useful for cutting right angles. I've never worked with UV resin before, so I decided to try it out. I bought this UV torch and some UV resin as well as this clear silicone mould to test it. I poured some resin into the mould and cured it under the UV light. I was surprised by how quickly the resin set, and there was minimal odour. Once it had cured, I went ahead and demoulded the jar. I love how easy it is to use, and I love how the jar turned out. I missed a little bit of the top of the lid, so next time I will make sure to get the resin in all of the nooks and crannies. Up next is one of my favourite things I have ever purchased, which is a battery-powered desktop vacuum cleaner. I had my doubts as to how effective it would be, but it works incredibly well. This little device easily sucks up debris and dust, which is a very common occurrence on my workbench. And it unscrews easily to empty. I was also very excited to buy this pipe cleaner for an upcoming miniature project that I will share with you in my next video. I also bought this handheld drill to replace my old one that broke. And I bought this dragonfly paper punch from my local craft store. I loved the detail and scale of this punch, and I tested it out by painting some iridescent paint onto some transparent paper. I painted both sides of the paper, and when it was dry, punched out several dragonflies and coloured in their bodies. Up next, I found this set of miniature books at my local second-hand bookstore. There is one on dolls, accessories, and furniture, with some amazing examples by different miniaturists. I also found this fabric at a second-hand shop, which I think I will use to upholster some miniature furniture. I purchased this pack of wooden chopsticks to add to my stash of wood scraps and potentially use as table legs. I also found these plastic shot glasses which will make good mixing pots for resin or paint. And my local craft store was having a half-price sale, so I picked up these wooden beads and oval mirrors. I found the next item at a second-hand shop, and I have no idea what these foil sheets are for, but I thought the container would be good storage for my miniature items or for storing beads. At the same second-hand shop, I found this little cauldron that looks like a souvenir of some sort. I removed the handle and the sticker that was on the side and painted it with some matte black acrylic paint mixed with some baking soda to add some texture and make it look like cast iron. Then I added one of the wooden beads from earlier in the haul and stained it with some brown acrylic paint. I also picked up this bag of leather offcuts, which will come in handy for making leather books or clothes. And last but certainly not least, I found this amazing dollhouse at a second-hand shop and I just had to have it. I have a really cool project in mind for this, which I will be revealing in my next video, so make sure to subscribe if you haven't already and hit the notification bell as well. I really love reading all of your lovely comments, so please let me know what your favourite item was from the haul. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.